Hello all. Today's topic is neck pain. Neck pain is the one of the most common complaints today. It is caused by the poor posture, long sitting or neck stress. Most of the cases are related to the muscle strain, but sometimes it can be linked to issues like cervical spondylosis, disc problems or pinched nerves. It prevent to neck pain. Keep your long sitting at the eye level. It take regular breaks to stretch and maintain good posture. Simple exercises like gently neck rotations, shoulder rolls can help reduce stiffness. If pain lasts more than a few days, is severe or comes with numbness, tingling or weakness in your arms, it is important to consult a physiotherapist. I suggest some stretches and exercises of neck side bends, neck rotations, chin tuck, upper trapezius touch, shoulder rolls. Okay, see that picture. Some stretchings exercises and some neck moving exercises are there. And maintain a good posture with support. Thank you for watching.